Hello.
Hello.
May I know your name and where do you stay?
I'm Shweta Malhotra and I stay at the Valley View Estate in Gurgaon.
What is your child's age?
She's 3.5-year-old.
What were you looking for your child?
When I was looking I was basically looking for a daycare for my daughter because she was very young. She was just 6 months old when I started looking for the place. And eventually I was looking for a place which would provide me both the services of a daycare and eventually turn into a play school for her, because I didn't want to go for a place where she would go to a play school and then she has to move to another daycare. So this serves both my purposes.
Okay, so which all options did you consider?
Honestly speaking, I had visited some 20 odd daycare centers all over Gurgaon, and out of which I had shortlisted 3 or 4 and finally chosen Crystal.
So which one you finally chose and why?
Crystal is the one which we finally zeroed down on. It was primarily to do with a number of factors. I won't be able to tell you exactly quantitatively why, but in terms of as a mother, when you go out to look for a daycare center and a play school for your child, and especially when the child is just 6 months old, so there is some kind of a positive feeling that you need to get. When I had come to Crystal, for that matter, all the daycare center that I had shortlisted, one thing that I had observed was I had always gone to the centers while they were operational, not on the weekends. And the most important thing that I noticed was where the children were, seems to be happy. This was the place where I found the children to be really, really comfortable and happy. That was one very, very important point. Another one was the location. It was very near to my office. And otherwise also, I found this to be the most suitable option for my requirements.
Any two good things about Crystal Children's Center?
As I already said, out of the 20 odd options that I had considered, I had finally zeroed down on this. I think this is still by far, because I selected Crystal 3 years back, 3.5 years, 3 years back, and I think even by far in the past 3 years I have recommended Crystal to a lot of my colleagues and a lot of my friends. But I always tell them that you should always do your research, and just because I have chosen Crystal, you should also not go about it. You should first do your research, because in past 3 years there are a lot of other daycare centers also which have opened up in the city. So you should always go do your research and then make your decision. But I think people, in terms of location, if Crystal suits them, they have again come back to Crystal only.
And anything that could be better?
In terms of improvements, yes, of course, any establishment, there are scope of improvements everywhere. In terms of improvements, I feel they can concentrate more on the outdoor activities of the child, which would lead to overall development.
So on a scale of 1 to 5, how likely are you to recommend it to other parents where 5 is maximum ranking?
Most likely 4+.
Thanks a lot.